Numpy, get random set of rows from 2D array. I have a very large 2D array which looks something like this. Using Numpy, is there an easy way to get a new 2D array with, for example, 2 random rows from the initial array A, without replacement? For example,
Putting it together for a general case. For non-replacement, Numpy 1.7.0 plus. I do not believe there is a good way to generate random list without replacement before 1.7. Perhaps you can set up a small definition that ensures the two values are not the same.
This is an old post, but this is what works best for me. Change the replace equals false to true to get the same thing, but with replacement.
Another option is to create a random mask if you just want to downsample your data by a certain factor. Say I want to downsample to 25% of my original data set, which is currently held in the array data_r. Now you can call data_r mask, and return tilde 25% of the rows, randomly sampled.
This is a similar answer to the one Hz-Reshef provided, but simplified so newer Python users understand what's going on. I noticed many new data science students fetch random samples in the weirdest ways because they don't know what they are doing in Python. You can get a number of random indices from your array by using. You can then use fancy indexing with your Numpy array to get the samples at those indices. This will get you the specified number of random samples from your data.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.